create and publish Gemini games that you made. So you want to ask Gemini to have the stuff that you need to use. Like if you want this is an easier way. So let's say, for example, we go here, right? It's just an example. So we go here. Everything's gonna load. So we gotta wait for all this stuff to load. And then once it's all loaded, I'll tell you the rest. Okay, so this is like a build engine that you can make. For example, this is hard. So I'm making it a bit easier. This we're doing, for example, if you want, you can just do, let's just do name here. Then you can choose what colors, like the button, the character, and the blocks. Once you want to do that, if Gemini made this for you, go to publish, go here, click copy source code. Okay, now another thing you want to do is go to the Play Store. If you have Android, this is for Android only. Download QuickEdit. Go to the app. Well, I'm about to make the game too, so then what you're gonna do, if you already done this, click new. Get off this. Close that. Now we're gonna paste in the code. So then we're gonna do save as. And if you don't have an index file, make sure you make it. Then want to click here, click save as. This is the create folder just in case you need to. Create as. So then you're gonna want to name this index. And if you already have the same name as one, do index 3. It automatically turns that into text. So what you're going to turn this into is HTML. And then click save. Once you've done that, you're going to go to your files. Going to make sure it's there. Like you see, it's right there. Then we're going to go to gamejolt. This is where the big boys starts coming in. But if you don't, so basically, what you want to do is, if you're on PC, it's going to look like this. So this is what it looks like off PC. You're going to click games, click your games, you're going to click add your game. But for mobile, it's a little bit harder. Kind of the same thing, but. So if we just go to mobile, Once we're in mobile, you do the same thing. You go to games, click games, my games, and then you click add your game. If you don't have this tab or button, you're going to click this. This is where the games are. Do not click own games or followed games. Own games means that you bought them. Followed means you followed them. Games just mean your games. Okay, so if you don't have that, you're gonna go to, where is it? I gotta find it real quick. Hold on, it was called something. I gotta check my Gemini. Hold on, cause then I'll just give it to you guys. So then let's do that. So then, okay, so you want to go to here. Link will be in the description. Click whatever one you want. Complete, early access, devlog only. This is what I used for my newest game. Then you're going to title it whatever. And then your URL has to be something random. Website. You don't really need to do that. This, if you made it off any of these games, you're lucky. But if you made it off Gemini, you're going to click Other and then type in Gemini. And then if you want to add a partner system, you can. If you don't have to. This is the part where it gets tricky. So then you want to do the description, the design, the packages, which I will show you to do after I get the design and stuff done. So let me get this stuff done and I will be back. Okay, so I'm on the thumbnail part. I'm just doing like my actual examples of what I did for the last game, kind of. I made it so it's like this a little bit and then like that. Then I click save, then I click save and next. This is where it gets tricky. So you don't have to enter the description. This is it. You gotta click add package. It could look like this. If you want to change them, you can do that. New release. This is the part you have to do. Like, you can do 0.00, 0.01. For example, if this is the first one. This is the downloadable field. This is the browser build. What you want to do is you want to go to Media Picker and then click the HTML. If you want to do that browser, you can just do the same thing. But we don't. You guys can just wait for that stuff to load. I'm not actually gonna release it. So then once you get to do that, you gotta click Publish Release. This. You gotta click all ages, or if your game has any of this stuff, slow the video down to see what all the stuff is. But if you have any of this stuff in your game, make sure it has all that. Then you click save and next. So let me just finish the package real quick. So then once you click publish release for this, you're gonna click that. Miniature, I'm going to do all ages just because it's testing. And then there's a few stuff like your description, test. Then you're going to click save next. If you've done all this stuff and you finish that, you should be able to click publish. And then bam, right? Yeah, it'll publish your game. And it'll go here into games. And then you can just make games from there. See? For example, mine's right here. It has the HTML thing. If I can click it. But I know it has the HTML. So, that's all I wanted to help you with. On how to make a game on GameJolt. Like, post one off Gemini. So that's basically it for today's video. So how do I delete this? I just wanted to do this so you guys can figure this out. This game won't be published or anything. This one's published. Go play it. Link is in the description for this. But yeah, I'll see you. Bye-bye.